Photo Map is an incredible feature that allows you to publicize the exact location where your photos are taken. This feature works best when you geotag the images in relation to the places where they are taken. The feature has been used successfully on other social media platforms like Facebook. It is currently one of the newest features on Instagram. With this amazing feature, your followers are able to tell exactly where your photos are taken. Even better, recent studies have found out that the photos with the geotag get over 80% engagement and compared to other ordinary photos. This implies that photos that are amalgamated with geotags are more likely to attract engagement from your audience as compared to plain photos. Thus, the use of geotags on your Instagram posts can play a significant role in not only wooing traffic to your Instagram page, but also ensuring that your audience participate on your posts accordingly. The use of Photo Map is obviously a major advantage when it comes to telling your audience about the location of your business. It's important to the local marketing perspective because it readily informs your audience about the location of your business. In addition to assisting earning the loyalty, the trust of your audience, this provision also authenticates your brand as one that has a physical location and can be readily accessed. Even though this feature helps your follower know your location, you cannot post images from the same location on a daily basis. This is because the only setback with the photo map, you will at times need to post images from a different location that might not necessarily be your place of business. The flip side to this, however, is that it could lead to some degree of confusion among followers. In order to avoid scenarios like this, you can make an attempt to using geotags only when you are at your desired location of work.